Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your battery's percentage. As you can see on the top right corner, we can see the battery indicator and we can sort of guess how much battery life we have left. But if we want to see the exact amount we have, we can do the following. We can swipe down from the right corner of the screen right here to where we can see the control panel. As you can see right here, we can check the exact battery percentage. Now, this is just one way. We can also do this like so. Just click anywhere where you don't have an icon. For example, right here, just click and leave it clicked until you see the icons dancing like they are. Now, we can do this. Right here on the top left corner, there's the plus sign. Just click on it. We can scroll down until we can find the batteries section right here. So go ahead and click on that. And what we're doing right now is we're adding a widget. Now, we can add it in several ways. This is how it will look on our home screen, but you can also select another option. If you swipe left, this is a smaller version, and if you swipe left again, you can check the other version. Let's go try the first version so you can see how it looks. Okay, we're going to click here where it says Add Widget. Okay, and as you can see, this is exactly how it's going to look. Now, if we want to stop the icons from dancing, just click anywhere where there aren't any icons. For example, here, just tap once, and you're good to go. The widget is going to remain there. If you swipe left, it's not going to be available on the other screens. It's only going to be available on your main screen. Now, let's check the other widgets so you can see how they look. Again, just press and hold a part of the phone where you don't have icons, like this. Okay, once the icons start dancing around, again, we go to the top left corner where the plus sign is. Click that. Okay, let's scroll down and let's find the battery section, which is right here. Click on that. Okay, so let's swipe left. Okay, and we're going to click Add Widget. Okay, as you can see, we now have both widgets selected. If you only want the newer one that we just added, just click on the negative sign right here. It's going to ask you if you want to remove it. Click Remove. Okay, now click anywhere on the screen where there aren't any icons. And boom, you're good to go. Again, this is only the widget's only going to be available on the front screen, not on the other ones. And you're good to go. If you want to see more helpful tips, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on other videos.